Okay, so first day to drive to my office. My Ferrari Roma. It looks better in light sunshine. It's pretty bright right now. So depending on the shade, kind of looks a little darker or shinier. Actually, it looks a lot better in person, especially like this portion or this portion. Looks awesome. Looks like a shark inside. Some piping. That's an option too. New car smell. The Ferrari new car smell. So this is from the night view. What do you think of the color during nighttime? Looks different at night, huh? Yeah, this color is really dependent on how much light you have. This car, you can hardly tell the speed. You cannot feel the speed. Going at 97, 98, 100. It's nothing. It feels like 80. It seems like the speedometer is broken or something. 100, 98. Doesn't feel that fast at all. This location. Wow, 123. Easy. Wow, doesn't feel speed. Driving the Ferrari Roma. Okay, starting the car at night.